Hi. Seating arrangement. Questions are mostly common types of questions in all the competitive examinations. All competitive examinations. Basically, they definitely test you in the exams like banking, SBI PO, IBPS PO, SBI clerk, IBPS clerk. They'll definitely test you on this particular topic in SSC, which is Staff Selection Commission, and RRB, Railway Recruitment Board as well. So they are going to test you on this logical reasoning section. These concepts involve arrangement of objects, people, many possible ways. Guys, if you name the higher education exams like CAT, MAT, ICET, they are going to test you definitely on this particular topic, which is seating arrangement. The advantage of attempting seating arrangement question in the exams are, one question of seating arrangement will consist of 5 marks, because they'll give a set. In SBI, they'll give a set. If you solve that set, followed by you will have 5 questions. Definitely you will get 5 marks for sure. Okay, guys, SBI PO, SBI clerk, SBI SO, special officer, IBPS, okay, regional rural banks also, RRB, Railway Recruitment Board. Definitely they are going to test you on this skill, which is seating arrangement. Basically in seating arrangement we have, there are basically 2 broad categories. One is linear arrangement. What do you mean by linear arrangement? Linear sequencing is essentially arranging items given in a sequence, in a single line. Okay. The questions of this topic are also referred as seating arrangement. The word seating arrangement should not be, it's nothing but linear arrangement and the circular arrangement. Okay, the second one we are looking about is a circular arrangement. Linear arrangement means, it should be like this. Okay, horizontally, vertically, the linear arrangement may form. Circular arrangement, okay, yeah, circle should be formed. Okay, out of this, persons, people, things are going to be arranged in. Okay, so we will see one by one. So firstly, we'll talk about the concept of linear arrangement. When we are getting into the concept, we need to assume few things. Those are very, very important. Guys, unless otherwise specified, okay, you need to assume, this, when you are solving it, there 5 persons are arranged. Okay, they always face north. So this is the prerequisite. This is the assumption definitely you should make. Okay, so this is very, very important. If he specified they are facing at the south, you can take south. If unless otherwise specified, everybody will face what? North only. That is your top of the page. Okay, and the second assumption is this. Okay, when you are looking at a page, okay, your left is going to be your left, your right is going to be your right, and it vice versa. Okay, so this is very, very important when you are solving the linear arrangement and the circular arrangement as well. Okay, guys, I'll make you understand by taking an example. Okay, so that you will understand complete picture of linear arrangement. Okay, let's see. Guys, basically, what is a linear arrangement? It may be a horizontal, vertical, diagonal. It's called what? The linear arrangement. The logical arrangements of objects. It may be objects. It may be people. Okay, so that, it may be in horizontal, vertical, diagonally. Okay, it may be anything. Okay, example, travel. If you are traveling in a bus, the road of the seating arrangement, they are in a row. Okay, the row of the travelers in a particular bus, or the row of the travelers in a train. So all these comes under in a category of linear arrangement. Okay, and if you are taking, I want to tell you 2 points here. One is row arrangement and the another one is queue arrangement. Guys, what is the example of row arrangement? This. What is the example of queue arrangement? When you are taking, guys, in row arrangement, there is no starting point and there is no ending point, because that may extend it to anywhere. But in queue arrangement, guys, in queue arrangement, when you are taking, a cinema tickets, okay, when you're taking cinema tickets, you will have your starting point and if you have your ending point. Okay, in a row arrangement, there is no starting point and there is no ending point. But in queue arrangement, there is a starting point and there is a ending point. So these points are very, very important when you are solving linear arrangements. Okay, yes. But yeah, guys, there are 5 friends sitting in a single row. They are facing the north. If I ask you the question number 1, A is to the right of B, who is at the end? How many persons are there? 5. So let's try to take 5 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Among these 5, A and B sit anywhere. According to the condition, we have to place them. Yeah, we know everybody is facing what? North. A is to the right of B, who is at the end. So one more important point. Lot of people do mistake here. Who is nothing but the immediate person. Okay, now here who means who? B. So B is at the end. How many ends you have? You have, according to the condition, you have 2 ends. One is, this is left end and this is right end. So where should I place B? Lot of people get confused with this. Okay, but read the question properly. A is to the right of B. If I place B here, do you have any rightmost places? No. Do you have all the left position only? So can I place B here? No. So this is the wrong way of arranging them. So in the question itself only he is saying indirectly B is at the left end. B is at the left end. So B position got fixed. What about A? Lot of people, 90% will place A here. Okay, because B is here, right hand side, A will be here. Okay, so this is first way of arranging. But who told you that's the only way of arranging? I can place B here, I can place A here also. This is also right. Yes, so this is the second way of doing it. On the same note, if I place B here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I can place A here also. If I place B here, 1, 2, 3, 4, I can place A here also. All the 4 ways are going to be possible. So the point is this. So whenever you saw a word right, it doesn't mean immediate right. So in linear arrangement, right and immediate right both are different. Okay, so this is the first learning point. Okay, and after that, if I told you, our last question, if I told you A is to the immediate right of B, who is at the end, then only this is going to be possible. If I place A here, this is not immediate right. So then all the other possibilities go wrong. So the point here is this: whenever if I said immediate right, then only this condition is possible. Otherwise, this condition won't possible. So it is vice versa for left as well. Okay, this is vice versa for left as well. Okay, hope everybody understood this particular point. Let's try to take one more condition and try to explore our knowledge in seating arrangement. C is between A and B, who are at the ends. Okay, yeah, let me take 5 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C is between A and B, who are at the ends. So I can place A here, I can place B here. Okay, so this is my first possibility. I can place B here, I can place A here. So this is my second possibility. Why? Because who are at the ends? So in this position also A is at one end, B is at another end. In this arrangement also, so B is at one end and A is at another end. So my point is this, both are correct only. Okay, and C is between A and B. So where should I place C now? I have 3 positions vacant. Can I place 95% of the people, if they are beginners, they will place C here. But the point is this, okay, ignore about A and B, that's the different case. A may come here, B may come here. But A, C, dash, dash, B. This is also C is in between A and B only, no? If I place B, C, A, this is also between A and B only, C. So, if this is the statement, when you are getting lot of possibilities, so nothing is going to be correct. You cannot say exactly the C position is this. Okay, exactly the B position is this, because they are at the ends. A may be left end, B may be right end. B may be left end, A may be right end. We don't know. See, lot of possibilities are there. Okay, because you are getting n number of possibilities. Okay, be with that condition. Okay, then how to tackle this? In the exam, in the actual question, they'll give the other person's positions as well. Then with them, I can decide where I have to place whom. Okay, if this is the condition, C is exactly between A and B who are at the ends. Now, you will get some less possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can place A here or B here. If A is placed here, it has to be B. If B is placed here, it has to be A. So now the point is what? C is exactly between A and B. So I have to place C here. So C is fixed. So this is the position for C. Because exactly between, which means the gap between A and C, the gap between C and B should be the same. If A is here, it should be here. So for you, I can write one more possibility. So it may be B, C, and A. So you will get only 2 possibilities. So this is how you need to explore your knowledge in seating arrangement, which means in linear arrangement. Okay, so in linear arrangement, 2 important points. Left and immediate left both are different. Right and immediate right both are different. Between and exactly between both are different. Okay, so these points are very, very important when you are solving linear arrangement especially. Okay, yeah, already we have seen this particular point. A is to the immediate right of B who is at the end. Now I will get only one position, A is to the immediate right of B who is at the end. So I have to place B here, I have to place A here, the remaining persons I have to place here according to the conditions. So the point is this here, what I am talking about is, according to the conditions you have to draw. So, don't assume anything on your own. We have to solve questions purely on the basis of the given information. Okay, hope everybody understood the basic concepts. Okay, so let's try to solve one particular question. Okay, these type of questions you can encounter in banking exams, which is IBPS, SBI, Capgemini, lot of examinations, SSC, CAT. Okay, so we'll try to solve a single row arrangement. There are 7 friends. Okay, Anil, Balu, Charan, Dhoni, Isha, and Fizia, and Ganga are 7 friends sitting in a single row. So let me call them as A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, after that we have information. Okay, so try to take 7 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. When you have the definite information, you can actually place them. Okay, if you don't have the definite information, keep that point in your mind. Okay, Dhoni is to the immediate right of Charan. Okay, so D is to the immediate right of C. Where is D? because a lot of possibilities you can encounter here. So you can't place these two persons. E and A are neighbors of F. Okay, E and A are neighbors of F means what? So F is here, E is here, A is here. Or A is here, F is here, and E is going to be here. So two possibilities you can get. B is to the immediate left of C and second place from the leftmost end. Okay, B is to the immediate left of C. Okay, see, are you observing? Immediate left of C. Okay, and on second place, okay, from the leftmost end. Okay, so this is also one learning point. So this is the left end and this is the right end. Okay, so the leftmost end is this. So from this position, okay, from this particular position, second place. Guys, a lot of people do mistake here. Second place from the left means, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, some people will write, let's say A is second place from the left end, means a lot of people will write A is here. Okay, and a lot of people will write A is here, and some people will write, they'll give two gaps from here and they'll write A here. So which one is correct? Okay, which one is going to be the correct is very, very important when you are solving these kind of arrangements. Okay, so guys, always remember from this position, okay, second place 1, 2. So I have to place whom here? C. Okay, Balu is to the immediate left of C. So Balu is immediate left of Charan. So where should I place B? Immediate left of Charan. So which means I have to place B here. Okay, so I can definitely say there are two positions which is fixed. Okay, yeah. And guys, if you closely observe your first point, D is to the immediate right of C. So I can place a D here. So everything is interconnected. Okay. And guys, if you closely observe, Isha, Anil and F are neighbors. So I have only these three places vacant. So definitely this may come or this may come. So among two options I have to place them, but which this is goes right or this is goes right, I don't know. Anil is at the rightmost end. So it is clear that Anil is at the rightmost end. Then which one is goes right? This one goes right and this one goes wrong. So I have to place E and F here. Okay. So I left with whom? Ganga. So I have to place Ganga here. So this is the linear arrangement in a single row. That's it, guys. So the arrangement is what? G is at the left end, after that B, after that C, after that D, after that E, and after that F, and after that A. So A is at the right end and G is at the left end. Once you know this concept, your job is a cakewalk. Okay, so now you can solve whatever, followed by you will have your questions. Let's try to answer your questions. Okay, so who is between Charan and Isha? Okay, who is between Charan and Isha? So look at here, Charan is here, Isha is here. So who is between here? Dhoni. So answer for this question is what? Dhoni is the correct answer. Okay, Dhoni is going to be the correct answer. Okay, yeah. We'll try to solve next question. Who are the neighbors of G? Once you know that arrangement, who are the neighbors of G? So who are the neighbors of G? Only Balu. Okay, only Balu, because G is at the left end. So only she will get only one neighbor, which is whom? Balu. Okay, so that's it. We'll try to solve one more question on the same concept. What is the position of Isha? Okay, what is the position of Isha? Okay, yeah, in the options he may give. So, Isha is from the left end, she is at the, from the left end she is at the 5th position, or from the right end she is at the 2nd position. Okay, so this is how you need to understand how it's going to be. Okay, so according to the options you have to decide what is the position of Isha. Okay, or it may be in between D and F. Okay, so this is how our single row arrangement will be there. Hope everybody understood the basics. Okay, so now in the next video we will be talking about when now we talked about a single row. Next we will see double row arrangement. Hope everybody understood the concept, the basic concepts in the concept of linear arrangement. Thank you.